All right, guys, back again with another one. Appreciate you coming back. Today, snakehead again. I think this one's going to be a little bit quicker than the other couple. Clouds rolled in. It's a little chilly, but I don't know. It's weird. It's not. The wind's picking up, so it's making it a little chilly. So the water's got a little chop to it, but sometimes that's good. Sometimes that gets these snakehead moving. So gets the bait moving, gets things churned up a little bit. So you never know. It could be a good day. I brought my dad along with me, so hopefully he can get into something. He's a pain in the ass when he doesn't get none. He whines and cries, but it's all right. I'll get him on some fish. But like I said, cloudy conditions. Little murky, the water. I mean, it's always murky, but it's a little extra today. So looks like we're probably going to be having to do probably some chatterbaits, maybe some inline spinners. Those always seem to work well. And then when all else fails, you got to go with the fluke. That's my go-to. It's my number one. I might throw a frog on later with this overcast. That could really help. Really, I'm pulling out the whole arsenal, so we'll see what happens. All right, well, let's get into it. But before we get into the video, if you can, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell for a notification whenever I put a new video out. I got some stuff coming. So yeah, let's get into it.
No. Oh, I just saw bubbles over there.
What the fuck was that?
Was it a fish?
Yeah, but it was orange.
Goldfish or a koi?
That's literally what it looked like.
Well, that one was by the road I saw.
Oh, well, that's fun.
You hit the wire?
Yeah. Thank God I threw it like a little bitch, or else I would be down a reel right now. Woo, would I be down a reel?
Oh yeah. Oh, there you go. Water's clear there. There's only one true spot to use this at. The new road.
Here we go. I was wondering. Never set my drag. Oh, good fish. Wow, fat. That is a fat fish.
And you were moving it fast, huh? Saw them bubbles.
No, right when I thought that was a wake, and then I saw the bubbles explode up, and I was like, wait a minute. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Here.
Yeah.
You dropped them, like, can you see them?
Yeah.
Oh. There we go.
What is it?
I don't know.
Fight
That
like
seems like a snakehead.
Fights like a snake.
Yeah, good snake.
You want me to get the net? Is that the shit hook?
It's right in the front of his mouth. Dad, he's clamping down on a treble. So I think we're good. good fish.
Oh, that's the ones you said you were gonna give me. That gold one. Here, take it. Nice. I didn't have gold. I had that black garbage.
Nice. Told you we were gonna get him.
Yeah. I don't know where.
And look how nice he was about it.
He didn't break none.
No, he grabbed literally the front of the treble. Do you want to keep him or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't even feel him. What? I got something. Nice bass. There we go. I'll take it. Not bad, little guy. It literally hit the water and he smoked it. Sorry, I had to launch him, but I didn't want to throw him in there. Chatterbait. This is actually my second time ever fishing here. First time we didn't get anything, but it looked too good not to come back. And actually, last time I did, I got a little bass too. He was over where my dad's at over there. But all right, not bad. Not what we're going for, but I'll take it. I'll never complain about getting a bass. Ever. Really a fish, for that matter. Yeah, the chatterbait, man, they're always hitting it from behind. Oh, I'm a child. So yeah, they're always hitting it from behind, and you never actually feel the hit. I mean, for the most part, it just gets heavy. Like, I thought I was right near that lump of stuff there. I thought it was a stick or weeds, so I kind of like barely set the hook, but I mean, there was a fish. So should have took my own advice from the last video. Always just set the hook either way. But the problem is, I thought it might have been that log, so I didn't want to set the hook on the log. Sometimes if you jiggle this around, you can get it off. So I don't want to bury it into the log if it was. Oh, is that another fish? Oh, that was a fish. Absolutely, that was a fish. What is going on with this thing right now? Don't break. What the hell happened here? What? What is going on? All right. My dad's over there crying. He just missed a snake. We'll see how accurate that is when I go over there and actually catch it. So you want me to come over there and catch him for you? I'll give you the courtesy 1 or 2 more casts, and then I'm coming in and catching them. Well, you better catch them then. Oh shit. Did I ever mention how much I hate GoPros? Oh. So, I'm all torn up. I'm starting to bleed everywhere. I took a thorn right in the middle of the hand. That one sucked. That fish did not slow down the whole time, sitting there flopping around, jumping all over the place. I never even got him. He found his way. He slivered all the way through here. I went to grab him in there. He freaked out one more time, jumped in there, and he's gone. So I got no footage of him. So that sucked, but hopefully we get another one. Wow, that thorn in my thumb, my finger is killing me right now. I have no idea why it hurts so bad. Yeah, poison ivy's everywhere. I was grabbing at that fish and it's in there, so I hope I don't get it.
So big it's scary. I set the hook.
Telling you know what the craziest thing is? If you actually catch them. All I keep getting from you is war stories. And that's it. That's all I get. I get war stories. I never get, oh wow, look how big this fish is. All I get is, the fish was so big. I should have saw how big it was. That's all I get. Never get, hey, look at this. That might be a dad thing. Yeah, it's probably a dad thing. Or they got over exaggerate on everything. Make that 1.5-pound fish look like 4. Long arm in all the fish when you're trying to take a picture. Making that thing look like a giant. I'm sure all dads do the same. Mine just doesn't even catch him. He just tells you he almost had him. A lot of action today though. Definitely a lot. All right, guys, had to call this one short. I messed up paperwork at work, and I thought I had the day off, and guess I didn't. So this is pretty beat. Still able to get a few fish, so it wasn't too bad. But it was a slow day. I really thought today was gonna be a lot better, but yeah, it seemed like the inline did it, and the fluke. So had a feeling those two would work, but I thought I was gonna get something on chatterbait. Never really worked out. So yeah, that's it. So if you guys can, hit that like button, subscribe. Hopefully I'll catch you on another one.